Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to apply for an Argos card. Option 1, apply while shopping. First, add the items you want to your trolley on the Argos website or app. Go to checkout. When you reach the payment options, select apply for an Argos card and follow the instructions to complete your application. Option 2, apply to shop later. Visit the Argos website or open the app. Look for apply to shop later and fill in your personal details, UK bank details, and 2-year address history. If approved, your card will arrive by post within 10 days. Remember, you must be over 18, a UK resident for at least a year. And your first order must be delivered to your home address to confirm your identity. And that's it. That's how to apply for an Argos card. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.